I'm back, my jungle kingdom. No one steals my peel.
Uh-oh. He looks angrier than a monkey without breakfast.
Crow, hide me! He's gonna turn me into banana pudding!
Bro, you already look like one.
Let the banana court begin. Justice with extra potassium.
Brown Capuchin Monkey, you are accused of banana theft, slipping chaos, and bad jokes.
I plead hungry.
Your punishment, 24 hours in banana jail.
What's banana jail?
It's very appealing. This place smells like regret and potassium.
And the beds are slippery. We'll escape using these banana peels as rockets.
You sure? Last time your plan blew up.
Trust me, I'm an expert in chaos. We're flying the wrong way. At least we're free. Ouch.
They never learn. The jungle always kneels before the peel.
And that's why you never mess with the Banana King.
Today, we break free.
From banana jail? Bro, even the walls are slippery.
We'll dig a tunnel with spoons. They're made of bananas.
Innovation, my friend.
It's biodegradable technology.
More like snack grade.
What are you two up to?
Just gardening.
Look, a flying mango.
Where?
New idea, Nad. Banana Rocket 2.0.
Last time it blew up.
This one's upgraded with double bananas.
It's working! I can see the whole jungle!
I can see our crash landing.
Welcome back, my favorite pilots.
We escaped right into prison again. Next time, let's just use the door. Or a taxi.